On this video today, I'm going to show step by step on how to get paid up to $100 per day to play games like this on any device that you are using. You don't need to have any skills to do this. You don't need any experience to do it. Everything is so basic, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this website that I'm about to show you. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. I'm going to show you two websites, so make sure you watch till the end so that you get to know each of them. The first website that we are going to be looking at is PlaytestCloud.com. PlaytestCloud.com hires you to play games to test their functionality so that you can be paid. If you are on the website, what you are going to do is that just come right here, click on become a tester. Once you click on become a tester, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, sign up below. If you are eligible, we will send you our qualification test. So once you sign up, they are going to send you a qualification test so that they can test your ability to play games before you are hired to test games on this website. As you can see right here, qualification test is unpaid. The qualification test, you are not going to be paid any amount, but once you play the qualification test and then qualify, you are going to be paid per every test that you take. You can see you can retake the test, so anytime you fail, you can retake the test so that you can try as many as you can so that you get qualified to work on this website. So what you are going to do is that just enter your email address here, enter your full name. Once you enter your full name, you are going to enter the games that you like to play. Once you select that, you are going to select the devices that you use. So if you are using iOS, just click on it, select the appropriate device that you are using. If you are using Android, just select that. If you are using other device, just click on it so that you can find the device that you use. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down, select your country. So when you come here, it is available worldwide. So as I scroll, you can see many countries. Wherever you are, you can get games to test on this website and you are going to be paid. You can see a whole lot of them. So once you select your country, the next thing is that you are going to select your gender. If you are a male, you are going to select that. If you are a female, you are going to select that. Others, you are going to select that. Once that is done, you are going to enter your birth date here. You are going to enter the year here, enter the month here and the day here. Once that is done, you are going to select this option. I want to receive monthly news about play testing and new games. So if you want to get newsletters from them, you can select that. But this one is false. You must select I agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So once that is done, you are going to click on start testing so that they can send you a qualification test so that you can take the qualification test. Once you qualify, you are going to start making money anytime you take a test. Now the most important thing is how much are you going to earn per test. So when you come here, how much will I earn? So just click on it. You can see the payment depends on the task that you take. So if the duration of the test is very long, you are going to be paid a higher amount. If it is short, you are going to be paid a lower amount. You can see on average, if you take a 15 minutes test, you are going to be earning $9 per test, as you can see it right here. So it depends on the duration of the test. Some of the tests will last long, some of them will last for a very short time. The most important thing is that just sign up for an account so that you get to know more about the website. Apart from this website, there's another website that can equally pay you to test games. The next website that will pay you to play games is Test.io. So when you search for test.io, you are going to find this website. On this website, they do a lot of things, but what you are interested in is to test games and get paid. So just come right here, click on become a tester. Once you click on become a tester, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, you can be paid to test website, mobile testing, IoT testing. So apart from games, you can be testing other things and you are going to be paid. So let me scroll down for you to see. Once you scroll down, you are going to look at how much are you going to be paid per test that you take. Just click on it, how much can I earn? So once you click on that, you can see how much you earn depend on the test you qualify for, the kinds of bugs you are able to find, and whether your findings are accepted by our customers as valid. The most lucrative bugs pays up to $50. So if you are able to test the games and give a valid feedback, you are going to be paid $50. As you can see it right here. Apart from the games, the website, anything that you test on this website, you can be earning up to $50. Now what you are going to do is that just sign up for an account on both sides so that you can be paid to test games at the comfort of your home. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.